We got quality cars at low prices, quality cars at low prices, on lot financing for me and you. No credit, bad credit, who gives a toot?
All right, everybody, so this one here is a Nissan Frontier truck, and it's 2007. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go down our price list here and take a look and see what the price is on this Nissan Frontier that the dealership wants. And let's go ahead and take a look. Man, before you know it, I might be pricing these cars myself. How about that, man? That'd be different, wouldn't it? Anyways, I'm kind of excited. Nissan Frontier, they got here on the list, 07. 139,000 miles, $89.90. So what we're going to do, we don't have your regular numbers, you know, like to put the prices on, but we do got this right here, one low price of $89.95. So I'm going to write it on there with a marker and put it on the window. Let's get started. Alright, what's up everybody? Stay with us today. We're getting some work done today. We got stickers, prices, and all that stuff. So, we're at a little car lot out in the country that this car lot has basically started to go under, deteriorating. And you know, the whole thing here, folks, pretty nice little place, needs some work, needs some sprucing up, cleaning, and it needs some love. It needs somebody here that actually cares about the inventory and cares about keeping the place up and going. And unfortunately, some of the folks that are here have kind of given up on the place. Now, I'm not necessarily saying the owner, or there's only a few folks here. But the owner has came to me and said, Chad, I need help getting this place back up and going. Well, I'm at a place in my life right now where kind of at a crossroads, you know. It's time to take on a challenge. So I'm here, I'm taking the challenge on. We've been filming a few cars, doing some videos, and I'm trying to get my mind kind of in the mindset of taking the challenge, even though it's a little ways away from where I'm living at and all this, that, and the other. But I feel that there's possibly something here for me. Something's telling me, hey, this might be your shot, Chad. So even though it's just a small little place, we got a roof over our head, we got internet, we got vehicles. And today I walked the lot. I was here a few days ago, and today I walked the lot and I said, where's the window stickers on the cars? You know, there's things that, these are just simple little things that you do when you own a car dealership, okay? It might sound like, hey, Chad, you know, that's not gonna sell cars. Well, let me tell you something, folks. Even as simple as putting the years on the windows and doing the best you can, you know. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to order more year stickers because I only have stickers that go back from the highest number 2006 down to 2001, missing 2005s. So I mean, we got stickers here that are for cars that are over 10 years old. I mean, it's 2019 now, folks, not 2001 anymore. But a lot of these cars out here are a bit older. So anyways, we're putting stickers on. I only got a few cars on the lot that I even got stickers to put on because I just don't have enough stickers. But the little things like that can help. Well, how? Because when people drive down this road right here, not that it's a bunch of traffic, but when people are coming and going down this highway, they need to see stickers on the windows. It's a visual where people go, oh, that's a car lot. Okay? Even though there's a sign up there that says the name of the business and the phone number and all that, still, you got to have some stickers on the windows. Balloons help, all that kind of stuff. But the stickers make people realize, oh, those are cars for sale. Well, anyways, my camera battery died again. I tell you, I always having camera battery problems. Canon cameras or a battery company, send me some batteries. I'll do some reviews for you. You know, batteries are always dying. But anyways, like I was saying, you got to get out here. You got to get the window stickers on. You got to get the prices on the cars. You know, people may stop by after you close and want to walk the lot and see what the prices are, what years are. They want to look at the cars. They want to see the cars. Okay, you got to run a car dealership like a car dealership. Okay, whether it's a small one, medium size, a big one, you got to run the place like it's open for business. So we got the inventory, about 30 plus vehicles out here. We are literally cleaning house right now. Got a ton of work that needs to be done, but we're gonna be vlogging every day about all this stuff, and something a little different here on the channel. I hope y'all can enjoy. But your boy Chad is technically becoming to run a car dealership. Watch out, here we go.